commission I finished just today, and it's a GoRo Godzilla versus Baragon GMK from the 2001 movie. It's got a really cool Baragon in it. I have this kit too, but I've only built the Baragon. I really like the Baragon on it. The Godzilla is just a little bit super deformed looking. I'll probably build mine sometime, but right now I'm just enjoying the Baragon. But this one is for a commission, and it is a very nice kit, really well made, really nice sculpt, a lot of detail in it. Inside the mouth, if you get a chance to look, which I don't think you'd be able to see too well, not enough light, but a lot of detail in the throat, and I always like to see that on kits. Eyes maybe a little small on the Godzilla, but really nice detail on the body and the fins and all that. Baragon's just really cool. I like how he lays on his back like this. It's not your typical pose for a kaiju. I painted this one a little bit darker than mine. Made the ribs on the, or ridges on the back darker than on mine, and got a little bit of a darker purpler look, and his belly's got a little, just a tinge of green color to it, kind of based on pictures I've seen. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this really nice kit. They're hard to come by and they're not cheap. If you ever get one, they're worth having. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you till next time. Bye.